Hi there, YouTube. It is I, the one, the only, Naudia, Exotica. I'm talking a bit quiet because everybody's asleep. I didn't want to wake anyone up and I didn't want to disturb anybody, so I'm in the spare room here. It's almost kind of like a workshop. Bringing you a very interesting, another kind of food for thought video. And I thought I would share it because it's very intriguing and just odd to think about. And it's kind of something I just never knew. I had no idea that this was the case. But so, also, it is technically Christmas since it is 1:30 a.m. December 25th. And I want to say, if you're coming across this video, I hope you have a wonderful Christmas. If you don't celebrate Christmas, blessed Yule. If you don't celebrate Yule, happy Hanukkah, happy Kwanzaa, and I want to make sure that you have a wonderful holidays and they're safe and full of love and light. So did you know that bananas are currently going extinct? And they've also gone extinct before. I had no idea about this, and apparently we can't really do much about it, seeing as though bananas are infertile. So you can't basically, like you would say a cherry, because I've done that before, or a peach pit or a avocado pit. You can't take that seed and propagate it, or you can't replant that, which I found so odd. Like, that is so bizarre to me, that you have no control over whether or not you can plant a banana bush or tree or whatever. However they grow. So I wanted to share this article. I came across this article probably around my birthday, and I remember telling my aunts about it actually on the day that we went thrifting, and really didn't think too much of it after that. And then my friend brought it up. She's like, I was reading that bananas are going extinct. I'm like, are you serious? I was reading that too. So I wanted to share this article. It's from getpocket.com/explore and /discover, I think, or no, /explore, and it's in the little discover page, and it starts off saying that modern bananas are a monoculture. It's only a matter of time before some bug or fungus strikes, and many experts believe that strike is coming very soon. So I had not the slightest clue. I didn't know that this was the case. And it basically goes on to say that the bananas that we know now aren't the bananas that existed prior, and that they've died out before. And I think it even equates to, have you ever had any banana candy, like runts, those runt candies, or like artificial banana flavor? I don't know what candy I would equate that to now, because I don't eat too much candy, or I can't really think of, you know what? I have a computer right here. Let's see. Might as well utilize it. So something like, let's see. Oh, like, okay, banana Laffy Taffy, or yeah, the runts, the Haribo bananas, anything like that, the artificial banana flavor, specifically the Laffy Taffy, that one really embodies artificial banana flavor. That is what a banana, supposedly, I'm not a professional or an expert, but I'm just basing this off of this article. That is what a banana used to taste like, which, I mean, even thinking about it now, like, I know exactly that flavor, and apparently that's what the actual fruit tasted like prior to its current existence now. So that's just so odd to me. Okay, so bananas clearly don't grow on trees. That's my bad. But yeah, so let's see. There's like specific banana plantations, And I'm almost certain that in order for them to propagate a banana, there's a specific like scientific um, process that they have to do. There's like a specific scientific little like mechanism, I believe, or regime they have to do. Let's see, it talks a lot about the genetic diversity of population, genetic mutation, pests, diseases. Let's see, bananas is basically impossible because there is no genetic difference between them. Plantation bananas are sterile and produced via cloning. Okay. Baby banana plants sprout from the base of adult banana plants, identicals in miniature of the adjacent giants they will soon become. So interesting. Plantations in Asia, Africa, and elsewhere have been wiped out by a new strain of Panama known as Tropical Race 4. The disease is highly contagious, and in early 2018, further cases of TR4 were confirmed in Australia. Now, I believe this is literally a plant disease. So I just find that so freaking weird. And it has a lot to do with the agriculture at large. And it's just so bizarre. But also, who's to say that the banana previously, the previous version of a banana, who's to say that that wasn't the most recent, who's to say that that wasn't another version of a banana that existed prior to that? You know what I'm saying? Like, that's just so odd. And I never really thought of that too. You can't take anything from a banana and plant it in the ground and grow it. I've done it with cherry seeds. I've done it with obviously the avocado. I've saved a peach pit. Anything else, aside from a banana, you cannot regrow a banana, and I never really even thought of that. Yeah. So that was just a little bit of food for thought. I wanted to put that out there. I don't know, and it has a lot to do with the environment. It has a lot to do with basically like the perfect storm of certain, I guess, aggressors slash, not predators, but just the perfect storm of things in the environment pertaining to banana growing and banana plantations, it said specifically. So like places that are designed specifically to host cloned bananas. It's just it's so odd. It's so weird. And they are one of the oldest known cultivated plants, but were first grown in the United States in the 1880s by entrepreneurs involved in early plantations in Jamaica. This new fruit was odd looking, originally with seeds, so it originally did have seeds, and would grow only in very particular tropical climates. So for years, the fruit was a very unreliable product due to its short ripening period. Even now, with the bananas that we know that they obviously go, they have a very short lifespan of the ripening of it. And yeah, that's just so nuts. Storms at sea or delayed trains meant that these early banana salesmen would often open shipping crates full of rotten, unsellable fruit. As you can hear, my cat is scratching at the door, one of them at least. Yeah. However, the banana that people ate in the early 20th century was not the one we know today. There are hundreds of edible banana varieties, but to standardize production, banana companies selected a single type to grow. So I'm going to go ahead and link this. I'm going to link this in the description down below. I actually have a lot to do with my description. I just found out that the link of my websites aren't actually links because I haven't done them for my computer. I just done them for my phone, so I have to fix that. But anyways, this will be in the description, this article, if you want to take a look. I highly encourage you to do so. And I kind of want to dive even deeper in this. This is so bizarre to me. So I figured I would share it. So anyways, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or video requests, feel free to leave them down below. My email, you can also email me. My email is naudiaexotica@gmail.com. Follow all my links. You can find them naudiaexotica.com, and you can also read my blog www.naudiascuriotrove.com/blog. Until the next video, you will be hearing from me soon.